Most beginner videos look shaky, boring, and unprofessional. But the problem is not your camera. Today, I'll show you 5 videography tips that will instantly upgrade your videos, even if you're just starting out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about photography, videography, and event shoots. In this video, I'm sharing my top 5 videography tips for beginner tips that I personally use during events, weddings, and professional shoots. If you follow these correctly, your videos will start looking cinematic and professional. First up, stabilization is everything. Bad stabilization can destroy even the best video. Beginners often make the mistake of having shaky handheld shots or just moving the camera way too much. Instead, use a tripod, monopod, or gimbal. If you have to go handheld, keep your movements slow and deliberate. Try walking heeled two-toe for smoother motion. Pro tip: if your shot doesn't need movement, don't move the camera. Next, master your frame rate and shutter speed. This is where beginners mess up badly. For a cinematic look, shoot at 24 frames per second. Then, a crucial rule is to set your shutter speed to double your frame rate. So, if you're shooting at 2 for EFPs, your shutter speed should be 1/50th of a second. The wrong shutter speed makes your video look unnatural and choppy. Tip number 3 is composition. A boring shot is usually just bad composition, not a bad camera. Start using the rule of thirds to place your subject off-center. Add foreground elements like plants or lights to create depth. Look for leading lines in your environment to guide the viewer's eye. Try to frame your subject by shooting through doorways or windows. Cinematic videos are all about visual storytelling. Lighting can make or break your video. Seriously, good lighting makes cheap cameras look expensive. Whenever possible, use natural window light. Avoid harsh overhead lights and try to shoot during the golden hour right after sunrise or before sunset. And never place a strong light directly on someone's face. It's just not flattering. Finally, shoot with editing in mind. Professional videographers don't shoot randomly. Always capture a variety of shots. Wide shots to set the scene, medium shots, and close-ups for emotion. Also, don't forget the small details like shots of hands, decor, or people's reactions. This variety gives you flexibility during editing and makes your final video far more engaging. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone learning videography. Comment video if you want a full tutorial on event videography or cinematic editing. I'll see you in the next video where we all talk about lighting techniques for photography and video.